Good morning students. Now we are discussing about polynomials from 10th class. This from 10th class. This chapter we already discussed in 9th class, that is polynomials and factorization. And we know that what is the polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but an algebraic expression. Then what is an algebraic expression? When we are discussing about an algebraic expression, first we have to know about variable. Variable. Variable means nothing but variable is a symbol which does not have a fixed value. Variable is a symbol which does not have a fixed value is called variable. Variables are generally denoted by x, y, z and so on. Next, constants. Constants, the symbol which have fixed numerical value. The symbol which has fixed numerical value. Variable means the symbol which does not have fixed numerical value. The symbol not having fixed numerical value. The symbol variable means the symbol which not having fixed numerical value is called variable. Constant means they have fixed numerical value. Fixed numerical value. They have fixed numerical value is called constant, like 2, 3, minus 5 by 2, 7 and so on. These are called constants. Next, term. Term means the product of variable and constant is called term. Variable and constant. Suppose 2x. 2x is a term. That means it is the product of two integrals. It can write as 2 into x. And y. Y is also a term, but you are not seeing any constant here. You are not seeing here any constant. That means the constant is here. It can write as 1 into y. The constant is 1. The constant is 1. 4. 4 is also a term. 4 is also a term. But there is no variable. You are not seeing here variable. Are you seeing variable here? No. 4. 4 is a constant. But constant is also a term. Then how can we say? The definition of term is it is the product of variable and constant. Then we are not seeing here any variable. It can write as 4 into x power 0 or y power 0 or z power 0. And we know that x power 0 value 1. 4 1 ja 4. So here these are called term means it is the product of constant and variable. Now algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is if two or more terms are one term, one or two or more terms are one term, or two or more terms are joined by plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, then the expression is called algebraic expression. Suppose 2x 4y. These are the two terms. These two terms are joined by plus. Joined by plus. This is called an algebraic expression. And 3z minus 9y. This is also an algebraic expression. 4x plus 8y minus 9z is also an algebraic expression. Now here 4z, this is also an algebraic expression. 9xyz cube, this is also an algebraic expression. Here 9 minus 3 by x plus y by 5, this is also an algebraic expression. Now, in algebraic expression, according to the number of terms, there are specific names. If an algebraic expression only one term, if an algebraic expression contains only one term, see this one, 4z, it contains only one term. If an algebraic expression contains only one term, then the algebraic expression is called monomial. Is called monomial. If an algebraic expression contains two terms, if an algebraic expression contains, this is monomial. Monomial. If an algebraic expression contains two terms, this is also monomial. Only one term. Monomial. Algebraic expression contains two terms, then they are called binomial. Binomial expression. If an algebraic contains only one term, that is called monomial expression. If an algebraic expression contains two terms, that is called binomial expression. If an algebraic expression contains three terms, that is called trinomial. Trinomial expression. If an algebraic expression contains more than three terms, then that is called multinomial. See here I have written some algebraic expression. First one is 2x squared. It contains only one term. So it is the monomial expression. Here 9x cubed plus y squared plus z. This is also an algebraic expression. It contains two terms. The two terms are, first term is 9x cubed y squared plus z. Plus divides the terms. Plus or minus divides the terms. So plus before one term, plus after one term. Here first term is 9x cubed y squared. Second term is z. The expression contains two terms. So it is binomial. Here is also first term is minus 2 root x. Second term is plus 3y squared. It is also, the expression contains two terms. It is also binomial. And the next one, it contains three terms. It is trinomial. If it contains four terms, more than four terms, that is called multinomial. We know that. Now, what is the difference between polynomial and expression? All polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Then how can we differ these two? Which expression is called polynomial? That means if an algebraic expression, the variables which are involved in this algebraic expression, the variable which are involved in this algebraic expressions having integral powers are non-negative integers. Variables integral power. Variables integral powers are non-negative integers. Okay, if an algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial, the variable which is involved in this expression having non-negative integral powers. Suppose first expression 2x squared. What is the variable involved in this expression? X. Integral power is x is the variable. And its power is 2. Its power is 2. 2 is non-negative integer. So this expression is a polynomial. It is algebraic expression and also a polynomial. And second one, 9x cubed y squared plus z. Which variables we are seeing here? Here we are seeing x, y and also z. The variables are x, y, z. And now we have to verify these variables integral powers are non-negative integers or not. X integral power is x power. X integral power is x power is 3. Y power is 2 and z power is 1. See, all are non-negative integers. All are non-negative integers. So this is also a polynomial. Next one. Minus 2 root x plus 3y square. Which variables we are seeing here? X and y. X, it is in radical form. Root x, it can be write as minus 2. Square root x we can write as x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3y square. Here the variables are x and y. X integral power is 1 by 2. X integral power is 1 by 2. Y integral power is 2. Y integral power is 2. Here clearly we know that if an algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial, the variable integral powers are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. In this expression, x integral power is 1 by 2. X integral power is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not an integer. Not an integer. It is not an integer. That's why this expression is not a polynomial. This expression is not a polynomial. This is only algebraic expression. This is only algebraic expression. Here is also what I am observing here. This one x power 3 by 2 plus 5x plus 9. Yes, x integral power is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is not an integer, not an integer. So this is also not a polynomial. This is only expression. Here 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Here x, the variable, which variable involved in this expression? Only x. Only x. First term x integral power is 2. X integral power is 2. And the second term x integral power is 1. X integral power is 1. And here there is no variable. There is no variable. Now here the variables integral powers are 2, 1. 2, 1. 2 is a non-negative integer. 1 is also non-negative integer. So this expression is a polynomial. This expression is a polynomial. Now here this one 4 by x. 4 by x plus 5x square minus 2. 4 by x we can write as 4 into 1 by x plus 5x square minus 2. 4. 1 by x we can write as x to the power of minus 1 plus 5x square minus 2. Here clearly it's x integral power is minus 1. Negative integer. Negative integer. So this is also not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Here is also y square minus 1 by y plus 1. This is also not a polynomial because in denominator we have a variable. We have a variable. That's why it is not a polynomial. Do you understand this one? What is the difference between algebraic expression and polynomial? Polynomials are all algebraic expressions, but algebraic expressions are not polynomials. The difference between these two polynomials is these two algebraic expressions and polynomial is the variable which is involved in this expression having non-negative integral powers, then the expression is called polynomial. Then the expression is called polynomial. Next, degree of a polynomial. Next concept. Degree of a polynomial. Okay. Two x cube. 2x cube is a polynomial. It's the variable. Which variable we are seeing here? X. X integral power is, here we have only one variable. Here we have only one variable. The variable integral power is 3. So its degree of 2x cube is 3. 2x cube is 3. If a polynomial having two variables, like monomial having two variables. It is a polynomial having two variables. The polynomial having only one term. Then how can we find out its degree? That is, its degree is, which variables we are seeing here? X and y. Its degree of 2x cube plus y square is sum of the powers, sum of the exponents. What are the powers here? X power is 3 and y power is 2, and then this polynomial's degree is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. In this lesson, in this chapter, we will discuss only about degree of a polynomial. We will discuss about only polynomials in one variable. Polynomials in one variable. Now, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Why? See, x integral power is 4. Here, first term integral power is 4. Next 3. Next 2. Next, there is no variable. Here, now its degree, how can we find out? Here, how many terms we are seeing here? 2 terms. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First term degree is 4. Second term degree is 3. And third term degree is 2. Third term degree is 2. Fourth term degree is, there is no constant. There is no variable. So its degree is 0. Here, what is the greatest degree in this? The degrees are 4, 3, 2, 0. What is the greatest degree? 4. Now the degree of the given polynomial is, degree of the polynomial is 4. The greatest degree we will take as degree of the polynomial. According to degree, of a polynomial, every polynomial have a specific name. That is, the first degree of a polynomial is not defined, undefined. If a polynomial's degree is undefined, then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Example is 0. There is no general form. Here, so the question asking like this: what is the degree of a zero polynomial? What is the degree of a zero polynomial? If a degree of a zero polynomial is undefined, then define zero polynomial. One question is, what is the degree of a zero polynomial? Undefined. And another question, same question, how can they will ask? That is, define zero polynomial. Define zero polynomial. That means if a polynomial's degree is undefined, then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. That is, the example is 0. Next one, degree of a polynomial is 0. Degree of a polynomial is 0. Then the polynomial is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Here, example is constant numbers: 2, minus 3 by 2, 7, 4 by 9. These are all constants. Any constant number, etc. Here, there is no general form. It is also. There is no general form. Here, the question asking like this: define constant polynomial. Define constant polynomial. How can we say its definition? If a polynomial's degree is 0, then the polynomial is called constant polynomial. Example this one. Here, sometimes asking like this: what is the degree of 7? What is the degree of 7? 7 is a constant polynomial. 7 is a constant polynomial. Its degree is 0. What is the degree of minus 9 by 3? Minus 9 by 3. Minus 9 by 3 is also a constant. So constant polynomial's degree is Clear. Next one. If a polynomial's degree is 1, if a polynomial's degree is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If a polynomial's degree is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. Example: 2x, 4z, 3y minus 2, like this. General form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Ax plus b. This one. Here, how can they will ask the question? Define linear polynomial. First question. Define linear polynomial. How can we say if a polynomial's degree is 1? If a polynomial's degree is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. Here, 2x. What is the variable we are seeing in this expression? X. X degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Here, the variable is z. Z degree is 1. So it is also a linear polynomial. Here, the variable is y. Y degree is 1. So this is all linear polynomials. Linear polynomial general form is ax plus b. Here, next one. If a polynomial's degree is 2, if a polynomial's degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If a polynomial's degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Here, examples are 4x square, 3y square minus 2, 5z square plus 7z minus 3. These are all etc. And general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This one. Here is also. If a polynomial's degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Define quadratic polynomial. If a polynomial's degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Next. If a polynomial's degree is 3, if a polynomial's degree is 3, then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Then that is 3y cube minus 2x cube minus 3x square 5z cube plus 7z square minus 3z plus 5. This one. Here, general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Cx plus d. Next, fourth one. If a polynomial's degree is 4, if a polynomial's degree is 4, then the polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If a polynomial's degree is 4, then the polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. That means examples 4x power 4, 5 y power 4. The general form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e plus e. These are the here one time according to degree of a polynomial. Suppose if a polynomial's degree is undefined, then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is 0, then the polynomial is called constant polynomial. If a degree of a polynomial is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. General form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b. If a polynomial's degree is 2, if a polynomial's degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. General form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. If a polynomial's degree is 3, then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. General form of a cubic polynomial is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. If a polynomial's degree is 4, then the polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. General form of a biquadratic polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cubed plus cx squared plus dx plus e. Here, one time observe here now. Suppose if a polynomial's degree is 1, degree is 0. If a polynomial's degree is 0, then number of terms in the polynomial. Number of terms in the polynomial is 1. Only one term is there. Degree of a polynomial is 0. It contains only one term. The term is also constant term. If a polynomial's degree is 1, then the polynomial having at most maximum, then the polynomial having maximum 2 terms. Okay? If a polynomial's degree is 1, then the polynomial having maximum 2 terms. The 2 terms are like this. Where degree 1 constant term, variable term and constant term. These are the 2 terms. If a polynomial's degree is 2, then the polynomial having maximum 3 terms. If degree is 2, it contains maximum how many terms? 3 terms. If a polynomial's degree is 3, then the polynomial having maximum 4 terms. If a polynomial's degree is 4, then the polynomial having maximum 5 terms. That means clearly we know that how many terms a polynomial having if the polynomial's degree is 10. If a polynomial's degree is 10, then how many maximum terms we can write in that polynomial? That is, if a polynomial's degree is 10, we can write 10 plus 1, 11 terms. Maximum we can write 11 terms. Minimum, as usual, we can write single monomial also like this, x power 10. Minimum we can write. Its degree is 10. Maximum we can write 11 terms. How can x power 10 plus x power 9 plus x power 8 plus x power 7, x power 6, x power 5, x power 4, x cubed, x squared, x plus some constant. Okay. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, if a polynomial's degree is 10, then maximum number of terms in that polynomial is 11. If a polynomial's degree is n, then maximum terms in that polynomial is number of terms. Number of terms is equal to n plus 1. It's a degree of a polynomial plus 1.